What's up, viewers? This video is all about 3 car detailing products that you need, that you probably didn't know you needed. Let's get it.
Form up the rise, yeah, we flood that shine. Rims all gloss when I hit that line. Drip too clean, yeah, the squad don't miss. Pull up fresh, that's clean car Chris.
Viewers, stay tuned. The leaderboard in the Meet the Detailers app is going to be active very soon. All paying members in the supporting tier is going to be eligible to receive a cool giveaway every month. Basically, the more you engage in the app is the more points you're going to receive. Whoever has the highest points at the end of the month is going to get a cool giveaway. All right, first up on the list, guys, is this nozzle right here. This is an MTM Aqualine nozzle. I think this one is a 40-degree nozzle. It doesn't have to be an MTM, but they do have other brands that make a similar nozzle. But point being is the guard. This guard is really cool to have, guys, because when you have this on the tip of your detailing gun, if you're detailing and you accidentally touch the exterior of the ride or the rim or whatever, it won't damage, right? It will help prevent scratches and so forth, right? So this on Amazon goes for $39.99. Okay. Pretty affordable in my opinion for such a awesome product that kind of keeps you in the safe realm of things, if you know what I'm saying. Make sure you watch the full video, guys, because I have a bonus product that you can't miss. Second on the list, Jersey Bug Scrubbers by the Rag Company. Let me tell you something, man. I love these. I always have one of these in my wash buckets. It's cool. This is a brand new pack. Let me take one of them out so you can see. They come in packs of 5s. I bought this pack on Amazon for about $10. Very affordable. All right, see, it has this type of stitching on one side. This is a little bit more aggressive than this side, right? It's really designed for those pesky bugs, grills. You know, you can use it on glass, your wing mirrors, all that stuff. You just agitate with your favorite bug cleaner and it really helps to get those bugs off. I also use it on the exterior on the paintwork when I need a little bit extra bite that a regular microfiber towel or your regular wash mitt might not provide, right? So pretty much it's very versatile. It's safe on all finishes. It's a must-have in my opinion. Leave one in your wash bucket at all times. All right, third on the list are these Talco sprayers. I bought a pack of 6 last time on Amazon for about $16, right? Check these out. They're pretty awesome. These are the 28mm ones that fit most, 16 or 32 ounce bottles. Replace them with the other sprayers. See, I have mine on my IK sprayer. I even took out the spray out of the IK bottles, guys, and replaced them with the Talco. Sprays a lot better in my opinion. It will make your workflow, your work efficiency a lot more enjoyable. Check it out. Just a quick thing. So it sprays. It's adjustable, pretty durable. The only thing is, you might have to adjust the length of these to fit in whichever bottle you put them in, right? It's pretty easy. Just get a clipper. This part disconnects like that, so you might want to clip it so your preferred measurement or size. Just replace that right there. Screw them on. Boom. In action. Ready to go. All right, I have a quick bonus one for you. Number 4. These right here, waffle weave towels. These are by the Rag Company, a pack of 3. You can pick these up on Amazon for about $10 or so. It doesn't have to be by the Rag Company, but importantly is the waffle weave. Check it out. See the stitching? These are a game changer for cleaning glass windows. Let me tell you. So they're a little pricey in my opinion, especially these ones. I mean, 3 towels for $10. I'm sure you can probably find other brands for a more affordable price, but make sure the stitching in them is waffle weave. Trust me, when you're cleaning glass, you will not be sorry. Viewers, stay tuned. The leaderboard in the Meet the Detailers app is going to be active very soon. All paying members in the supporting tier is going to be eligible to receive a cool giveaway every month. Basically, the more you engage in the app is the more points you're going to receive. Whoever has the highest points at the end of the month is going to get a cool giveaway. All right, guys, all the products mentioned in this video, I'm going to leave a link to them in the description so you can click it. Check them out if you want. You already know, it's your boy Clean Car Chris coming at you again every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Make sure you download the Meet the Detailers app. Join the fam.